up, weekenders? I'm Corbin and welcome to my channel. And today was supposed to be my day off, but the trails are calling, so I'm bringing you guys along with me. Today we're hitting a Logandale Trail system out here in Nevada. It's pretty much just like a everything kind of area. It's almost like a OHV park. There's anything from sand dunes to slick rocks, and there's a little bit for everybody. Easy obstacles all the way up to insane obstacles. Should have a small group today. I'm pretty excited, so let's go do this. Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Like a glove.
There you go. Good line. Right, come on.
Passenger, you got one wheel off.
There you go. You're good.
Pat. Driver. There you go. There you go. Now come back passenger a little. Perfect. Straighten. There you go. Back driver.
Back driver. Hard driver. There you go.
No. Good. A little teetering. That's all.
Teetering is okay.
Yep.
Passenger. There you go. Come back driver.
Come at it this way. Come at it this way. Left tire. Left tire pushes against here because right crawls up. Left tire stays right here. We're gonna push against this wall. We're gonna put the left tire up here. Passenger, stop. Passenger. Hold that line. Nice and straight. You're gonna climb up this. A little more. Driver, 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 driver. Hold. Run.
You may climb. There he goes.
Right there, right there. Good,
Nice.
good. Say, hold that. Hold that. Come on towards me. Come on towards. Push when he's turned into the wall.
Yeah.
It helps you not to tip.
Yeah, you're gonna be good.
Okay, keep on going a little more, real slow, because you're on 2 tires right now. Yes, sir. Right there. Hold that.
Passenger's bit. You're good.
Keep going a little more, passenger. Right there. Real easy. Hold that for just a moment, and now start to come back, driver. Right there. Woo, that tire right there. No jerkiness. Nice and smooth. Keep on going.
It's true.
All right, let's come back just to like 3 inches.
Make sure you guys are clear.
Yep, right there.
Right in there. Because
And then
that's where
bring his driver. A little more driver. Little more driver.
Oh,
Nope, come back a little bit.
comes up here.
Come back a little bit. You're digging into the tree. You good? Okay.
There you go.
Holy tire.
I was good. That's what I was worried about.
Oh, he may break the bead.
You all right?
I think he's gonna break a
I think he
bead.
actually did just break.
No, he's good. He's good.
Go back.
You're good.
Real
hear
slow.
the air hissing
Real
out.
slow. No.
Is it?
I need you to straighten out.
It
Straighten
was.
out. You're gonna
Yeah.
hold the air. Yep. You're gonna go over a little tiny lip. Real small. Wait. No, I don't like it. Stop.
Oh,
There we go.
there it is.
No lock. No lock. 12. Not going
Really?
11.
Really?
Just me and my best. Now, Glenn, don't go.
We're just splitting the whole thing.
Yep.
And then have them come out on the left side over there.
Yeah, left side.
Make sure
All right,
the back
you're good.
tires are on the wall. Keep going straight, nice and easy.
Yep.
You're good. Good line.
Yep, good line, good line. So that was the gatekeeper, and yeah, it definitely kept its gate because Glenn debeated his tire. No big deal, a little finicky, but we were able to get a new tire back on using an ARB jack. Pretty impressive. It's actually my first time ever seeing one of those be used, and it looked pretty good, but we're gonna continue on and have fun. That his passenger tire's stuck in. He's probably gonna have to back down just a little bit and reset.
Yeah, you won't be able to go in. Backwards. Went to the other side. You can go a little bit. I think a little passenger. A little more.
There you go. Walk
There
it.
you go. Keep coming. You're good. The front's gonna drop in a little hole on this side, but it's good. Might help.
Might help
I
a
think
little
so.
bit.
There you
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Right here.
good. Perfect. You're gonna scrub a little bit. There you go. But yeah, you're good. But and then kind of come wide. There you go. Yeah, now you can start cutting. Driver. There you go. Straighten out. Perfect. Yep, keep coming. Like a glove. Keep coming. Come towards me. Come towards me, towards me, towards me, towards me. Cut it. Yeah, you're good. Nice job. I spy some sand dunes. That's going to do it for today's trail ride. Had an absolute blast. A little bit of rock crawling, a little bit of dune actions, a little bit of jumping. I hope you guys enjoyed that. The tire debeating kind of ate into a little bit of our time. No big deal. We just had to cut the trail just a little bit short today. We also had a blast though, and we're just going to call it a day now. We're all airing up, and we're all going to head home. But hey, thank you guys for all the support so far. It's been huge, and I'm super grateful. But with that being said, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you at the next waypoint.